My name is Edward. I'm 26 years old. I have a job at Savannah Ocean, Zanzibar. I am receptionist. I've been start working here like 2005 November. Love my job and I love the boss too as well. I have there. They're good. And I live in Hanson and I do with a friend. The worker too as well. We're working together in the same place. So I'm living there now in Hanson. This is our room. We four guys in this room. This is my bed. I'm not from Zanzibar. I'm not from Zanzibar. I am from Arusha, north of Arusha, and a village called Lesoit. It's outside Arusha town too as well. It's at the bush actually. I'm some of the tribe from the Maasai tribe. I am. I come in Zanzibar when I was young, 15 years old. Is my reason is I've been fight with my family. Normally in our culture, you have to marry when you get after conversation. I try to talk to them like I am young. Don't think I will have to marry right now. I've been trying to talk with one of my friends who was working here, and then he was the one who's been helped me to pay everything to come to Zanzibar or to run away from my family. All the time when I have a vacation, I'm going home and stay with my mom. Not actually same things we do in the day. Before my shift, I'm washing my clothes sometimes, not every day, and reading. Sometimes I meet the Maasai guys on the beach, talk to them a little bit, like 2 hours, in the room reading, washing, do something else, and have some training later, like play football or forever. So that I'm doing in my day.